Moving on to question 15, we'll start with the unknown. What mass of mercury? So question asks for mass of Hg, mercury, would be required to react completely with 125 ml, which is a volume unit, of 14.0 mole per liter of nitric acid. So V is 125 ml, and concentration, sorry, I should have indicate the volume of what. Nitric acid is HNO3, so this is nitric acid, HNO3. You can tell because there are only two reactants. One of them is mercury, so the other must be nitric acid. The science of deduction. And the other concentration of HNO3 is 14 mole per liter. I'm going to go ahead and convert this to liter because of the unit of the concentration. So in order to find the mass of mercury, I need to find its number of mole, which I should be able to using the mole ratio between mercury and nitric acid. So I'm going to find the number of mole of nitric acid first. So I know that the number of mole of nitric acid over 0.125 liter, the ratio of the number of mole and the volume is going to be the same as 14 over 1 because that is the concentration. It's very, very concentrated acid. Quite dangerous actually. I don't think you ever get to use this in a school lab. 14 mole per liter nitric acid, if you imagine that. Okay, 0.125 times 14 over 1 really, times 14 is 1.75 mole. So this is the number of mole of nitric acid. You then should be able to work out the number of mole of mercury using the mole ratio. I should sit properly so that everything is not slanted on the side. Not sure how full that would be. Okay. If you look at the equation, the number of mole, the mole ratio can be formed from the coefficient, which is 3 to 8 here. So N of Hg is 3 over 8, the number of mole of nitric acid, which is 3 over 8 times 1.75, so that times 3 over 8 is 0.66 mole. And then you need to find the mass of mercury, which is what the question is asking you to do, which is number of mole times molar mass. I have no idea what the molar mass of mercury is. You know, I don't think that's one of the things that I use very often. Very excited to find out. Molar mass of mercury. Where is mercury? I can't find mercury. Mercury, where are you? I am looking at a periodic table. 206. Huh. Now that is very interesting. See, this is why molar mass is not the same as the mass atomic number, because you can have 206 being there, and then thallium, which is 204, is an element with a higher atomic number. Because, you know, it's just a mean of like the different amount of isotopes as well as the number of, what am I doing? The number of neutrons can really make a difference on the molar mass. Right, so two significant figure is 1.3 times 10 to the 2 grams for question 15.